50 years on this rock, give or take a few, and here we are. Not quite the heroes of a Spielberg film. Not quite the cautionary tales we were promised either. Generation X. Street-level anthropologists of the absurd, guinea pigs of late-stage capitalism, and survivors of 1,000 failed reboots of the American dream. This is our field guide for the end of times, not the apocalypse with fire and brimstone. No, ours is a slow drip, a death by algorithm, a quiet collapse under the weight of unpaid therapy bills and decades of ironic detachment. Welcome to the tour. But before we begin, please, like, subscribe. Don't be a poser. 1. Slackers. The sacred art of not giving a damn. We weren't lazy. We were precise, strategic, economical with our energy. We knew from day one that the whole system was a farce. Taught by divorced, drunk guidance counselors who smiled while telling us to follow our dreams, then handed us SAT prep books like shackles. We didn't drop out, we opted out. Because climbing the corporate ladder to end up a middle manager with acid reflux and a Bluetooth headset wasn't the dream. It was a trap. The slacker wasn't a stoner cliche. The slacker was a philosopher, a flannel-clad minimalist, someone who knew that giving your soul to a company for dental wasn't a trade worth making. We made do. We made zines, mixtapes, like there were prayers. We made entire personalities out of thrift stores and bootleg VHS copies of Repo Man. We were the first to realize success was just another brand. And when they laughed at us for working part-time, we shrugged because we weren't buying what they were selling, literally. 2. Hackers. Before Zuckerbergs and TikTok dopamine hits, there were the hackers. Kids who saw the internet not as a marketplace, but a playground, a battlefield, a revolution. These were the kids cracking code in basements, swapping cracked software like mixtapes, defacing corporate websites with punk manifestos. They weren't in it for the money. They were in it for the truth. The original digital punks. Before cybersecurity was a career, it was an act of rebellion. Before Google tracked your every breath, Gen X hackers were poking holes in the matrix, reminding the machine that there were still humans inside. And yeah, some went on to build empires, some sold out, but for a while, there was purity, there was chaos, there was freedom, a dial-up shriek before their surveillance state put on its friendly face and fed you cookies. The hacker was the one who read between the code, saw the seams and said, "No thanks, I'll write my own." 3. Burnouts. Some of us flew too close to the sun, and we didn't burn out because we were weak. We burned out because we ran too hot for too long. Addiction, mental health, the weight of expectation. We didn't talk about it because no one would listen anyway. We self-medicated with whatever was in arm's reach. Booze, pills, late-night reruns, conspiracy theories. But let's not romanticize it. The burnouts paid the price. Jail, rehab, early graves. And those of us who survived, we walk with limp truths and haunted eyes. Too jaded for TED Talks, too tired for Twitter wars. We weren't just statistics. We were the shadow cost of a culture that never asked how we were doing, only if we could work more overtime. And when we crashed, they just hired someone younger. But even in the chaos, there was art. Burnouts made some of the best music you've ever wept to, wrote manifestos in journals that never got published, lit beautiful candles in the void, even if the wax was laced with sorrow. The burnout wasn't a failure. They were the price of a system that demanded more than it gave. 4. Believers. And then there were the believers. Not in the system, not in Reaganomics or shareholder value, but in each other, in truth, in revolution, in punk houses that felt like church, in coffee shop conversations that lasted till the sun came up. The believers weren't naive. They just refused to go numb. They kept organizing when it was no longer cool, kept teaching when the schools were falling apart, kept marching when the cameras turned away. They built mutual aid networks before we even had the language. They believed in food not bombs. They believed in harm reduction. They believed that screaming into the void was still better than staying silent. Some got tired. Some faded out. but their fingerprints are everywhere. In every grassroots movement, in every ethical hacker, in every Gen Xer who still shows up even when the world's gone grayscale. The believer didn't win, but they never stopped fighting. 5. End times. It's a low-grade dystopia. Let's be clear. The apocalypse isn't coming. It's here. But it's not fire and brimstone. It's beige. It's branded. It's on sale now through Sunday. Climate change is real. Democracy's on life support. Billionaires are prepping bunkers while the rest of us Google side hustles that don't feel like death. And somehow we keep going. Because Gen X was born into collapse. We watched the Challenger explode in real time. We lived through the Cold War, the Gulf War, and every war since. We saw the towers fall. We watched the internet become a casino. We grew up with irony, but we aged into grief. Still, we adapt. We're the cockroaches of culture. We keep moving, quiet, angry, half lit by the glow of an aging laptop screen, trading music and memories like currency. We don't believe in happy endings. We believe in stealthy exits. 6. A message in the static. So what the hell do we do with all this? We remember. We document. We tell the stories before the servers crash. We make noise even if no one's listening because silence is complacence. We teach the kids that everything is up for debate. We unearth our mixtapes and zines and grainy camcorder footage and remind the world we were here. We were never the stars. We were the warning labels. Slackers, hackers, burnouts, believers. Not perfect, not heroic, but real and still standing. We've always known the end was coming. But if this really is the final act, we're going to light a joint, cue up the Pixies, and watch it all go down. This is Slack Signal X, broadcasting until the lights go out.